It's beautiful.
What is it? It's the Itaki. It's an Itaki. Oh, there it is. There's the Itaki lunchbox. So this just comes off. And then this comes
Oh, there's the rice.
And then you put your food in there.
Did you cook these vegetables?
No, these are raw. I just cooked the mushrooms.
And what's underneath the
And
vegetables?
underneath is chicken, marinated chicken.
Nice.
And onion. And green, and peppers. And then you take this little cup right here and you fill it up with water and you put 2 of those in. And then you put this back on. And then you close it up.
How long you would cook it for?
You cook a half an hour.
That's all it takes?
Yeah, half an hour, 30-35 minutes. So I'll plug it in before my lunch.
Okay.
And then at lunch I'll have hot food. I'm just gonna grab chopsticks to stir it. Let's see. Should put it on the table. Let's just turn it on and see what it looks like. It's hot. Oh my god. Making a mess. Shut. Okay, well the rice is not quite done, but that's okay. Let's see what the chicken looks like. Smells good. Okay. So it's just got some Korean barbecue chicken and rib sauce in there, and the chicken's done. Yummy. Peppers, mushrooms.
Rice are cooked too.
Yeah.
They are.
So I'm just gonna put this guy back on top. Let's sit for a second. And then I'll just mix it up and eat it. Yummy. For the 2 pots. 100 and, oh maybe was it 100?